This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Beth Horner. Fabulous lakefront living on one level with finished basement. An amazing floor plan with 2 ensuite masters on main level plus 3rd bedroom and full bath. Open concept and very spacious. Finished basement has a kitchen, another room used as a bedroom and bath, as well as large gathering area and 3rd car garage. Outdoors has unlimited entertainment possibilities. From the covered back porch veranda to the beautiful gazebo with impressive stone fireplace. Workshop area and basement garage with large pad outside for RV parking. Last but not least, 2 boat docks. One for personal watercrafts and other for boating. This home offers so much. Schedule your private showing before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Beth Horner at 865-693-1111.